back to my channel. Hope you all guys are fine. So let's go in today's class. In today's class, we will learn switch on off using remote. That is class 28. So let's learning from class 27, algorithm design, flowchart, variable, operators, function. So let's overview of today's class. That is light, source of light, nested condition, serial monitor. Next is remote control. Remote control is we anything controlled by remote is called remote control. Like we control AC with remote and TV with remote. Next is what is light? Light is something we need and we use it all the time. Next is sources of light. In sources of light, there are two types: artificial light and one natural light. And artificial light it comes tube light and bulb. In natural light, it comes sun, moon. In this, as you can see, reflection of light. The guy is on the torch and it reflects and go to that guy. So you can see one more reflection of light. The torch is coming to the mirror and it is reflecting. We can say it's bouncing. So let's make our switch on off remote using switch on off using remote. For this you need breadboard with nano, USB cable, LED, IR receiver, jumper wires, resistor and IR remote. You can see IR receiver and IR remote. So next is how IR remote works. IR remote works in TV. It has a receiver and this is the remote. If we press anything, it goes to that and it receive and it sends, like it reflects. So this is our real life application of IR remote. TV remote control, musical system remote control, AC and cooler remote control, fan remote control, LED lights remote control. So in this control system of flowchart is TV input is our IR receiver and control system is our nano, output is our LED. So let's make remote controlled LED. So this is IR receiver pin diagram. Our G is GND and R is VCC and Y is S. As I told in previous classes, that GND is to minus and VCC to plus. So this is the connections. So this is our algorithm design. Next is this is our block algorithm design. So let's do coding. This is the code. So you can see after uploading the code, when I'm pressing the up button, the light is burning, and when I'm pressing the down button, it is off. So this was the output: on, off, on, off, on, off. Bye guys, thank you.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die.